MULN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As the only person in this space with 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. You know, it's taken me 5 years to make 40,000 videos. So from how this looked like beforehand, you can see I'm open-minded. After a pump like this with MULN, I'm just open-minded for more longs. And to be like the utmost honest with you, I really doubted that we were going to start bumping up and everything, but the only thing that will make sense for me to really be bullish on is if I see this double break shift. And if I don't see that, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy. Right? Like, it's makes no goddamn sense to me. So this is how this is going to look like. Let me just get rid of this. Like the moment I start seeing this thing break beneath like 22-23 cents, then I'm getting rid of it. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.